Let us solve this problem. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 2. Question number was 19. It is the replacement problem. It says a vessel contained a certain amount of a solution of acid and water. When 2 liters of water was added to it, the new solution had 50% acid. So previously acid was more than that of water. Only then when you're adding 2 liters of water, then the concentration becomes 50% and 50%. So one thing which is very clear is the concentration of acid must have been more than that of concentration of water in the original mix solution. And if you look at your problem, it says that the ratio of water and acid in the original solution was, so water obviously is less than acid. If you look at this, water to acid, water is more, so this option is gone. Water to acid, because water is more, this option is gone. So what is that we are left with? We are left with 2 options. And what should be our working method? You take one option, because answer is going to be any one of 2. So if I choose option B, if B is there, fantastic. If B is not, then D obviously is going to be the answer. You don't have to check it. Now I'm going with, say for example, I'm going with option number B, right? And as of now, I am having acid and water. So water is 5x, water to acid, water is 4x and acid is 5x, because that is the ratio of water to acid. And over here I have written acid first and then water. Problem says that you need to add 2 liters of water. If I add 2 liters water, then it becomes this. So what is going to be the total solution? 5x plus 4x plus 2, it is 9x plus 2 liters. And it says that acid is 50%. So can I say that 5x is 50% of 9x plus 2? And this is how you should be able to find out the value of x. So 5x is equal to half of 9x plus 2. And if you simplify this further, it is 10x is equal to 9x plus 2. So the value of x comes out as nothing but 2. If the value of x is 2, that means what? What does this mean? Acid was 10 liters and water was 8 liters previously, originally, right? And then you add 2 liters, and this is how acid is 10 liters and water is also 10 liters. Now further the problem says that when 15 liters of acid was further added to this, if you add 15 liter acid over here further, that means what? You have got 10 liters of acid and 10 liters of water. And then you add 15 liters over here. So it becomes what? 25 liters acid and 10 liters water. So collectively it is what? 25 plus 10, 35 liters. So 35 liters is 25, because it says that then final solution has 80% acid. What is 80% of 35? 80% of 35 is not this value. So option number B is not the right answer. And if B is not the right answer, please do not even check for D. D certainly is going to be the right answer. Do you understand this? We would like to check this, and you can do it in the similar way. But what did I say? Please do not do this in the examination. If 2 options are already eliminated, then either of them is going to be the answer. Since B is gone, D is the right answer, and that is it.